往哪走呢？往哪走呢？往这边站。你开了没？底下都没亮。
没有。
嗯，开始吧，开始。开始。
Hello everyone, welcome to our live show. We are EB China, and today I will introduce industrial robotic arm to you. We EB China is located in Jiangsu Wuxi province, and our registered capital is 13.14 million, and we have many certificates like this. This certificate is ISO 9001, and we also have ISO 14001 certificate. This is our ISO 45001 certificate. And we are fortified supplier. We have fortified supplier certificate. Our certification number is 20881155T. And we Wuxi Internal Fused Alloy Casting and Forging Co. Limited is in recognition of is the supplier of Made in China. So we are audited supplier of Made in China website. Okay, next let's come to our product. I will introduce industrial robot arm to you. Industrial robot arms are electronic devices that also promote the functions of arms, wrists, and hands. It can move any object or tool according to the time-varying requirements of space, position, and posture. So, as to complete the operation requirements of a certain industrial production, such as clamping weld pumps or welding torch, spot welding or arch welding of automobile or motorcycle body, handling die cast or stamped parts or components, laser cutting, spraying, assembling mechanical parts, and so on. So, the composition of industrial robotic arms are usually composed of 6 basic elements, including structure, arm and toes, computer digital controller, driver, measurement feedback system, and sensor. This is currently no unified classification standard for industrial robotic arms. Different classifications can be made according to different requirements. So we have hydraulic, pneumatic, electric. So first, hydraulic. It is usually consists of a hydraulic motor, various oil cyclings of the motors, and the drive system is composed of an actuator that drives the manipulator. So the characteristic is greater snatch ability, compact structure, smooth movement, impact resistance, vibration resistance, good explosion-proof performance. However, this requires high manufacturing precision and sealing performance. Otherwise, oil spill will pollute the environment. Next, pneumatic. The drive system is usually composed of air cylinder, air valve, air tank, and air compressor. It is characterized by a convenient air source, rapid action, simple structure, low cost, and convenient maintenance. But it is difficult to control the speed. The air pressure cannot be too high, so the snatch ability is low. Third, electricity. Electric driver is currently the most commonly used drive method for robotic arms. It is characterized by convenient power supply, fast response, large driving force, signal detection, transmission. Its processing are convenient, and a variety of electrical control schemes can be adopted. The driving motor generally adapts stepper motor, DC servo motor, and AC servo motor. And next, due to the high speed of this, a reduction mechanism is usually used. At present, some manipulators have begun to use high speed and low speed motors without a declaration mechanism for direct drive, which can simplify the mechanism and improve control accuracy. The classifications of industrial robotic arms. Second, divided by purpose. First, handling robotic. Second, sparing. Third, welding. Fourth, assembling. Fifth, special purpose. This kind of robotic arm has a wide range of uses. Generally, only point control is required. That is to say, this is no strict movement requirement for the transported parts. Only the starting point and the end position are required to be accurate, such as loading and uploading robots used on machine tools, workpieces, stacking manipulators, and matching machinery for injection molding.
Excuse me, Peter. Could you please face this screen? Yeah, face this screen. Stand here. Stand close here, close in the middle. Okay, so we will take the video for you. Okay, please continue.
Second, sparing robot arm.
Okay, please.
This kind of robot arm is mostly used in spare part production line, and the the accuracy for repeated purpose is not high. However, because pattern mist is flammable, it is generally driven by hydraulic drive or AC servo motor. Next, what is robot arm? This is the most commonly used type of robotic arm, which can be divided into slot welding and arc welding. A basic introduction to the load of a spot welding robot arm. When it comes to robots, many people think of humanoid machinists with hands and feet. However, such robots often appear in science fiction movies, entertainment venues, and so on. They are very different from industrial robots. Industrial robots, such as IR, most of them are simple operating devices, sometimes called robotic arms. For example, perform simple lifting or lowering actions, putting or moving workpieces inside. However, there are also many industrial robots that can be completely controlled by programs and can perform different types of work, such as searching, transporting, grasping, and so on. The American Robot Association in 1979 defined a robot as a programmable, multifunctional manipulator that can move materials, workpieces, tools, or special equipment through program control and variable motion design. In order to complete a series of tasks, therefore, although many industrial robots are not in human form, as long as they meet the definition of robots, they can be called robots. Although industrial robots have been widely used in many manufacturing industries, however, it is estimated that hundreds of thousands of industrial robots will be put into service in the near future. At present, many researchers are studying how to add vision and sense to robots so that robots can complete more complex tasks. And to such robots, the knowledge of mankind is called robotics. Third, classified according to the precision of the operating machine and the number of degrees of freedom. The precision mechanism type of manipulator of this is an important appearance feature of the manipulator. According to this type of standard, the manipulator can be divided into rectangular coordinate type and so on. The number of acts of the manipulator itself best reflects the working ability of the manipulator and is also an important basis for classification. According to this classification requirement, robotic arms can be divided into 4 axes, 5, 6, 7, and other robotic arms. This is the branch of our robotic arm. First, EB, 15B 140. This is the chart is the parameters data. You can take a look. And we have weight, position, maximum wingspan, working environment, robot weight, installation method, protection level, and maximum range, maximum speed. This picture is about range of operation, and our EXW price is $6,491 US. Second type, EB25B 180, and we have also presented our robots data. You can take a look. This type of robotic arm is $8,619 US. Next, let's see a video. Okay, next, and you can see this picture. The third type, EB50B 230. This type is $12,910 US. And EB100B 230.